Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of August, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of August, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.77. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 36.35% over the next 3 months, with the projected return fluctuating between 27.73% and 61.56%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -33.11%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -93.36% to -26.04% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $1.73 and $19.26. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, "Is SOXL ETF still a buy after falling 8.73% on Friday?" The SOXL ETF price declined by 8.73% on the last day, Friday, the 29th of August, 2025. Dropping from $28.53 to $26.04. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 6.47%, with a day low at $25.67 and a day high of $27.33. The price has been oscillating during this period, resulting in a 4.86% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 35 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly higher risk over the next few days. In total, 107 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.78 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $41.19, while the lowest price stood at $7.23. Currently, the price is 36.78%, or $15.15, below the 52-week high, and 93.12%, or $352.20, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price hit $378.24. SOXL, the 3x leveraged semiconductor play, is experiencing renewed momentum. Nvidia's recent earnings exceeded expectations, and its ongoing leadership in artificial intelligence-driven demand has propelled chip indexes higher. Traders who previously moved away from bearish positions are now reallocating into bullish leverage in anticipation of a potential Federal Reserve rate cut. This combination has the potential to create a sharp, short-term increase in SOXL, as leverage amplifies inflows and sector gains. Broader data indicates that the IC Semiconductor Index and exchange-traded fund flows are trending upward, while new leveraged products listed in Canada are expanding access. Additionally, policy and artificial intelligence catalysts are maintaining positive demand prospects. However, it's important to understand the mechanics. SOXL magnifies daily movements and is subject to volatility decay and higher fees, meaning short-term gains can quickly diminish during pullbacks. In the near term, anticipate larger and faster fluctuations linked to semiconductor earnings, news in artificial intelligence, and interest rates. Over the long term, the secular growth in artificial intelligence, data centers, and electric vehicles supports the fundamentals of semiconductors. Nevertheless, SOXL is best regarded as a tactical, high-risk trade rather than a buy-and-hold investment. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Furthermore, there's a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The SOXL ETF is currently showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the ETF. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $27.26 and $26.60. A breakout above either of these thresholds will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 14, 2025, and as of now, it has decreased by 11.49%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $25.11. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, experiences average daily movements, and given its good trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.66 between its high and low, representing a 6.47% change. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 3.90%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $27.03. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an investment. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a significant point for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $25.11. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? The SOXL ETF presents several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate since the last review. Following our analysis of the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, we expect the SOXL to open higher by 0.0375 of a dollar, starting at $26.35. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.